Sanibona ngisho Paul.
Record.
Kelvin amachita ngisiya but anyways it's good. Siyabona ngayi Baba the legend Njami Chebile kumnandi ku right sikolile. Yeah right. Let's welcome Bobo the General.
Yawo siyakhothi bafethu shibobo make.
Asinabindo mona bafethu Chebile botho futhi fungiyo swaya. Khuluma namaboya. Ngaye ngiphethe njani umaboja? Bathi bani apolice hamba nabuphoyisa damkonge
Wala bafethu Steve Mavocha Shibo Magazine simnandi yebo
ngesilungu bathi welcome to our exciting episode emnandi find out we're talking about Captain and Papa manje like today's finals what thank you Ash yeah AFCON
yakwatisi khefu ke
AFCON finally Senegal against Morocco, Diaz against Mane. So much it on from Babu's good when I born with here. Nyazi ukuthi bacanga ukuthi yapi but just for the sake of asking.
Siyapi?
Yapi ntwana?
Morocco
nene lokuzana nesenenenje.
Siyapi?
Siya Senegal. Mina nyazi ukuthi anifuni Morocco so it's Senegal.
Uye west.
OV. So that being said, sene bafethu Mane sakumisela Shibo Magazine Kajobek number 10 hashtag zinto zakho. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down there to our comment section. Yes, we're talking about transfer window bafethu. Siyabona ukuthi la ngesivungu ngesihotline manje sithini ama signings wethu bafethu. Dithetjani yabona ukuthi naKavinani nayo uthola intonyana and ama players athola ama team. What the future holds lesingayazi. Anyways, I have to ask amachita lami ukuthi bacabangani ngamalokuzana ama signings lawo senzakele already ayo bafethu ama signings lawo senzakele already abomabasa nani what do you think the future holds for them kulama team amasha
yeah mina le story ngisibone ku Soccer Beats angithi siphethe Soccer Beats yeah ngibone la ku tweet ku X basho kanjalo ukuthi Kodisa loan from Sundowns
to
Mabasa to Stelis loan from Pirates to Stelis then ulibusa vele ngathi uvayile vele ku Sundowns so sign Stellenbosch.
Okay,
so before we go any further I want to ask ukuthi like Masiti Mabasa loaned how old is Mabasa?
29 I think
29 so since vele our football answer to a different route. Just focusing on like the youth side of things. So how do you loan an older player? Are you planning to bring him back or are you loaning him to sell him to another team with a bigger maybe price or something?
I mean I don't think uzobuya.
So it's just a loan formality.
I don't think uzobuya. System edlalwa iPirates naye uyadlala ngakhona.
I'm compliment
hayi ukuthi play libad sibad play so he's a great striker that guy but hey formation Pirates mfana
system Pirates amkoma
yeah
but
I'm compliment
so why low
I think
instead of selling
I think here's what I think according to what Uwaru said I think bamtshelile ukuthi thina sifuna ukuspana so mele uspane so naso yabo so because of no sekukhona idrake eziyenza right hiding le and bayabona ukuthi ngeke uyithola game time via loan thola game time practice hiding le ukuthi mawubuya mase sibona nathi ukuthi hayi umnandi uyayenza then singakubuyisa but then if angeke uyenza I think but I don't think uma basakusileso striker too I don't think uzo adapt to
what
to what yabo
so what like yini inkinga kaMabasa eyenza ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi angeke adapt to Pirates because from the start of the campaign uMabasa has been part of Orlando Pirates and he's been doing
throughout the years
scoring goals why now kunalento lokuthi ngicabanga ukuthi he might not be able to pull through kule system ukuthi is moving forward.
I think ina
phendula
lelinye ijwang the way where you feel la Pirates ne re bone hore like o batla ho dlala ka high intensity level o spana ka speed and o batla ho ba dangerous ko di transitional football like going forward o batla ho ba clinical la so like the way o leng ka teng system ya Wadu ko makgopa ya alawa why makgopa ke player le go hlala le busy yeah hlala le busy hence re dula re mbona like o shebe le di substitute di subtsai o kenya an offensive player e leng lo ya pele and ena le speed a replace ka a similar player e leng ena le speed meaning kutsho nda abatle an out and out striker se leng sa ploma real boxing sidule se mele cross adlale ka target man because of Lena, there was a time Moki put on thing okay sharp because I'm a target man in future ke bona ngare Pirates tlo dlala without an out and out striker se leng no ke a natural striker re tlo dlala ka striker se leng no sa khutla mrao sa re help when ultimately defend one tall se khona lo dlala vi so la mabasa re guiding eo e leng Wadu wa e batla ko yena like kutshong Wadu o batla play le go like ha lo strike okay sharp mfetira maka ga defenders o ka we create high I span it up but then ga tseba go like ka boxing umnati o batla di players tse le go no na le winger e le go ngai ke winger di cross am thole le boxing akore one thole bo di tapping ntonyana tse jwa a hlala le boxing so mabasa ke play jwalo so o va engwae ka lona lena ngavumelana nawe ukuthi ngeke abuye usetse ka many months 6 months 5 months ya fela junior ke contract high so considering the fact that the players tse signed ke Pirates no say wena go so sibone re so tsebe grand but then ke bone gore like ona le enkareng ba signile I think ya ko Angola or something ke striker se ba signile and then De Jong from Stelis remember ne re mbatla last year ke and then ile a fail deal then tshoko ba go tlo makhaya no De Jong I wouldn't say le ena ke striker se le go no ke se le se dulang dal boxing if ka check out games tsa dlalileng ko Stelis last season De Jong na dlala as a number 10 ne le ena na connector da ku a provide la bomang a connector le bo motshela mara na khona ho thola di goal wa understand so nka tsho ke re la ko Pirates number 10 competition ada e bhayi Maswanganyi De Jong Mbule tshoko ba se re mdlalisa la Mfukeng one tall so like ke cream tala cream and then tlo spanela makgopa la leng because makgopa khona ho dladisa tse hence makgopa santsana tlo dula la
so my question is
so mabasa anyana mabasa I don't think o tlo khutla because of na le ntwana le ke mang Luthuli
selone
ba mvaisitse ka lo Makesi o setse bo mang kutsho santsana ba believe ko mfano ke mang radio pana ba mka chance radio pana he's young and o khona ho dlala le yena radio pana o khona ho dlala not tseka mabasa di wa dlala ka tepateng khona ho dlala le Mbuthuma o setse so ke competition era for mabasa I don't think mfana tlo khutla they were violent ka teng but then la kusho re la ko Stelis a prove point a continue ka form ya hae a thole contract ona o ke da or ke elsewhere as long as tlo khona ho dlala ayo khruti that much.
Okay, now my question is, you know, like when I do game to most of the time, let's say we do not need a target man, right? We just need mobile. But there are games more where you need a target man. So what happens in that regard? Does like your players like Boma Pope and everything, can they stay as target men?
That is why last was a review over ini last season ubheki iPirates mayidlala ekanokucala uMakgopa angithola because wenza whatever isystem yePirates bayidlalayo ayifunayo then mase bakhathela ama defender afaka uMabasa angithola as a target man player uzostay because of now angithi uyacava masidlala idisk if mina ngimakani nawe ningayibona movement yakho ngizojoyina raiding ngoba lo move so mangikumaka sengizohlala ngiyala uyakhona so uMakgopa I think bekayenza ama defender kanjalo uyawagijimisa wayesalini nale so mabafaka umabasa mawuyidefender susitshela ukuthi hayi laba isystem yabo vele uzogijimela le lo uzoya le kanti yena uyastay lalithiwa amagoli abhabi kawathola header tapping yabo because ama-defender bewajwayele ukuthi laba bamobile i-striker zabo so now kule season enhle thingathi kule season kuwadu angeke izithunakale riding le ukuthi sifuna stay striker yabo out and out because of njengoba ushile high intensity game wena siyadliwa or siyawina isystem ayichange kanjalo so I don't think ukuthi uzoyenza into uJose bekayenza that is why maybe bekalibela ngasamdlalisi vele so yeah I don't think uzobuya Joe I don't think uzobuya
it's tough baba it's tough
so ngaleyo ndlela leyo iPirates base abakumluza as a free agent that's abamlona out
even now it's abamluza as a free agent
bazomluza as a free agent
because of it ofela if ever
sobanele off iphela manje ngoJune then uzoba i-free agent so I don't think beyafuna ukumbhayisa yabo but ngiyangafunda somewhere bathi bebafuna ukumrenewela yena wahala
kuzabona kanjalo so they decided ukuthi wamlo
angazi ukuthi but I think maybe offer yabo bengasi offer yazi man masuyiplay usijilile ukuthi mfethu phela uma basuyakora la ku Pirates yabo yakora so maybe
and sometimes some fans we sometimes get confused ukuthi i-player sometimes alidlali because aliperformi kahle grounding but i-player la perform grounding alidlali is it because of the system or is it because of the coach doesn't feel the player or
sometimes the system siyami yazi ukuthi uPep Guardiola kowakhipha uThierry Henry egaming for ukuthi ubhayizise system the way badlala ngakhona wamtshela ukuthi mfethu whatever happens stay in the line hlala la ungamove ungayenzini uzomove so masiphethe ibhola then yena wamove nje wazimuvela nje am substitute le yeah ambonisa ukuthi system so I think i-system bana noma ngaba istar kanjani ube ntswembu ube mnandi mfethu if ngiyicoach ngiza nge-system thatha ubustar bakho wena ufake i-system udlale yakhodi because wena mawuzodlala into zakho then uyangithola angikudlalise nami as coach so I think i-system mfethu into ekhawathi uThixo i-system if bezidlala i-4-4-2 or i-4-5-1 le bezomvumi formation and bekazowashama ku
and bekazohlala
ilelo player lelo uyangithola but then yabona ibhola mfethu la evolve yena
okay bafethu ngicela nisitshele ukuthi nicabangani ngale nto esikhuluma ngayo kaMabasa down there on our comment section sibona ukuthi la yakhona uyiswe ukuthi maybe akatholi game time or iPirates besifuna ukumchitha akona nje ukuthi ucabangani yeah man
yeah hey
follow ukumchitha
so bafethu ngifuna ukubuza ngoDijong njengoba ngithi manje Young yes njengoba basaphumile yini impact azoyiletha la already I feel like i-striking department Orlando Pirates they grand ne it's not like maybe in a short or something i-additional is Young or Dijong
hey yazi yini into engiconfuse ngoDijong angazi ukuthi bamsayine ukumuse va that's my thing mele ngibone i-first game ngithi okay bafuna ukumuse la nala because no mangathi as a 10 ama-10 akhona manje what if uzoletha lento umbula angayilethi what if uzoletha lento uTito angayilethi do you understand
don't you think
bamsayine as a striker
ile ngicabanga nami don't you think ukuthi bamsayine ukureplace uMabasa because he can stay and he can also be mobile
ngiyangithola
bamsayine Dijong there all right spot on
yabo that is why
bamsayine as a striker
angifuna ukuringa into engayicavi yabo ufuna ukumbona kucala because of uStellenbosch bona i-final madlala nabi i-final lo muntu uyabeka collect disc but at some point bomthola ephakathi eboxini ngithola So manje uyabona ukuthi he's a busy player, but then Pirates we have 23 million busy players lapha phambili yabo. So ngifuna ukubona mina if uwad coach omsayinile ukuthi uzomspanisa va nava.
But I think nakhona nisayine grand. You know why?
Yeah, no, it's a great signing.
Because never mind indaba zokuthi striker nani nani. Orlando Pirates, everyone is a defender, everyone is a striker.
Yeah.
Why am I saying that? If you can play as a striker and play box to box, that simply means you're willing to work for the team. So I think in regards to Lento Leoguti, stamina wise and being a workaholic, it sort of like complements Lokuzan Billiard.
Yeah, yena vele mfana bamsayinithi utoba impactful uyakani naleyo kubona ngakade uzomsqueeza as a false strike. Remember mangisaqala ngishilo ngathi Pirates in future ngenzeka idlale without i-out and out strike. So dlala ngani lot of middle fielders ukuthi is offensive
Like we did
yangithola.
Mukoko FC.
There was a time whereby Pirates ikidlala vele sina an out and out striker like striker si direct sithi bangwa kise strike definitely made my game.
I think away game Mukoko
No satsebo
na bikho.
yeah no satsabo ngomakama ngicela because of anyone nakhona ukora la go pa banthola.
So it's a newly
So
introduced approach.
ke di ke bona ngati.
Yeah.
So De Jong lena busy baye smart inala wona vision emnati na so far games ekizibonisa yona from Costellis satsebe ngoko like Pirates
Na from amazulu awuthi leya bengibona ukuthi ya leli play
yeah iyabonisa ukuthi is an international player vele from New Zealand and is bound to ayodlala World Cup. So like Mkapu is still Pirates big team udlala World Cup ko New Zealand li team yawo udlala ko Pirates fast jo. So like I think irembone reskam jaga re rembono kantle o tla ka tse yeah re bone gore like adapter jwang ko system ya wadu lore o complementa jwang le magents ba understand jwang le magents because of that is very
and play fast.
Aliyo fast, that's the thing. That's the tricky part.
High intensity.
That's the tricky part. Kena Kimbuli, they are not fast. Mara thinking yabona. I think it's faster than the way badalakati. So
no
like kinaluba worry Mule how sheba the games for Pirates. He's been he's been improving, playing well. But now you get to question it as if go AFCON because I don't think or tempo Jalango PSL tempo loving those European players. Like it's not the same. I felt like the speed of those foreign players, it sort of like overwhelmed him in a point where he couldn't breathe, he couldn't think on his toes, he couldn't like deliver.
Awuzogeleza mfana football mfana yeah ugeleza uzoretire yabo so uzofunda ukuthi okay masidlala this type of players this is how we play masidlala this type of players this is how I play because adabe kufuneka ama player fast
Yeah
into engisho ngathi kwaFCON ukuthi you can't take ama player Pirates and uwabonile ukuthi mawadlala wodwa when athi ngadlala so and ba fast and bakhona ukukora bakhona ukuchacha ama low block bakhona ukwenza then when wathatha uyanawo wonke lawo ma play squadini but awubadlalisi bonke mawufaka low keeper lo mangafaka low keeper lo mangafaka but previous AFCON you could play Sundowns players
the whole team of Sundowns
yangithola those guys they understood each other. But they knew each other because of they train each and every day. They play each and every day. Bond, so it's easier when ubathathe squad team, but because of they know what they're doing because they've been doing. Imagine C3 for 4 years. It's one. Singama forward. Mfethu singabulala squad team basket C3. singabulala abantu ababhaya, but then wena uthatha amaplayer, uthatha Apolisi, Mremi, Makgopa, Mbule, uReli, ungakhona ukwasebenzisa amaplayer lawo. Uthi Mremi, uthi Apolisi, uthi Reli, uthi Makgopa, uyazi ukuthi i-formation bayijwayele from ethimini yabo, ithi Spanish, but awubagayi leyo chance leyo. So into engisho ukuthi somehow that's why ngithi coach dabuka ikhawadi yabo. Ubrave kuma match post interview, my interviews, what.
Yeah,
But
he's
then
bold.
makuyisikhathi sokuthi ube brave. Uba ikwayo. So into vele mkhawatile. So yeah.
Okay, bafethu nizwele nani going back to i-PSL njengoba sesobuyela futhi siresume ama-games wethu. Mbonile ukuthi some of the teams, the performance, it was on this peak. Some of the teams, the performance was down below. So what do you make of this round? Those teams la bewafankara, do you think they will match lama team alapha phezulu? Do you think lama team alapha phezulu will maintain the standard of like the positions where they are at the moment, current moment?
Yeah, second league, each and every team ku-PSL izophakamisa final round phela, and then pressure obviously lapha phezulu 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2, 3, and I can say so pressure kakhulu ida ku number 1.
There's no easy game, ne?
I say easy game, you know, because of now obviously first round ndibone ukuthi idlala so that's the shit teams yabona ngoba badlala so bachuna so akanaleze di games abathu ba throughout, and the players abona most abona ditsoko AFCON gona ntse re le ya re na le nako baya prepare. So obviously tsele tsona di tlo batla upper game ya tsona, aba ba tlo lose di game tse lo go tlamela ba di win tse important, but then ho bona lose tlo ba draw re ke be jwalo. So ba tlo batla prove a point because of akere ka sheba teaming ona di injury Matita qeta khutla AFCON amnat.
I think we should do seeking re shape singalong, ne?
Wabo, so
Shape singalong.
Ay cause bayikhuphula yo.
So
bayikhuphula.
It was tough round last 15 game 15 ne 15 14
It must be 15 because like we're playing
But the Pirates
right?
idlalele
Pirates, yeah.
Dlala 20, dlala 21.
dlala 30 games thina sidlale 12 yeah, vele sine game e1 in hand, so meaning Sundowns
No, badlale 14.
badlale 14.
14.
Yeah,
No, if we dlalile 14, do not have game in hand. Kucho
udlalile 13 yes. So like it was tough round the way bonakala, and ke yona tlo determine ke mong of the league ke mong sa nqandi league.
Ha mina baba ngiyakutshela. Last week ka February. I won last week ka February.
Yeah,
This is what determine which week. Yeah. Because of badlala ne Sundowns,
Badlala ne
next week badlala ne Chiefs.
Like we are kind, ne?
Then sizodlala ne Chiefs April or May.
Judging by the performance plus the game in hand, we are kind. The way you want to get it, it's at say we can't pull another 4. But Pirates it will win a league
this season.
Yeah, we are kind.
I thought ukuthi Pirates may win league this season. It will be bigger than Sundowns winning the league 8 times. Ngitshele ukuthi if Pirates or the Chiefs ngawin league manje next season
Kuzoba ngathi Sundowns bengayenzi.
So bangathi bengathi
that's how big they are, these teams, ne?
Yeah.
They hold ngakhona.
Yeah. Kuzoba ngathi bengathi for goal. Kuzoba ngathi bekuyi-team nje yiyo belebeli win league nje. Yangithola. Big teams are back. Yangithola.
Amasathathu ukubheka mfethu.
That is why mina bengithi if it Chiefs
yeah,
be strong
from season
3 or 4 seasons ago, is so strong. Sometimes ngaba yiwina ngathi amleague kangaka.
Yeah.
Because of if I challenge my team A2 for a league for the sport, then bekuzoba nzima for you. Manje mele kube i-team A1.
Farmers League.
Talking about team A1,
Farmers League.
What do you make about lento leya kaBonita ukuthi nama player right we'll keep on working on my place now. We're not signing any player and all of that. What do you make of it? Judging you look as an hypocrisy, kids are cheating going forward.
I think ba believe go di-play tse ba nang le tsona management.
Well, opinion.
So yeah, but I think the way Pobi I willing ka teng o believe go di-play tse nang le tsona. Ne. So a ke re ke a sheba. Nna ka tjho ke re Chiefs ke big team. Sundowns, Pirates, ba busy ba mo marketing.
Wait, three ama big team.
Oh, 2 teams are big teams.
Oh,
Sundowns and Chiefs are big. Until Chiefs na le new to start with. Ba ka pipeline ngwe le ngwe ba e batlang. Net mara system ya hore ba pa di player yimo kasi bona somehow ai ba qome. Una le ntho tse etsahalang behind the scenes. So ga ke Chiefs a. Until but then the big institution e hlezi etsa di headlines yona. Because of ka sheba le di-signing tse ba di ntseng like currently ko balance as taba tsa hore re kutsho ngova ile player so re replace player so
njengoba kuvayo uMbokazi.
ba replace it. Remember what you said ana fihla are yena di-center backs tsa tla maybe different legs, one left one right o balance center backs tsa of which is go tlo bona some of other players tse le go ne le didlala previous ka Rivero never didlala, never told game time that much was busy. Should Ntoni Chabatsani e adapt fast ithole form ka pele e complementana le CM. I'm telling you Smith never dlala, Sesane never dlala yene well akalwanela ke HI nda never ithole injury mkhawathile akatsho not a bad player mara injury mkhawathile. So like it was nzima ngoba ba khona udlala if ever Ntoni Chabatsani ya perform because of advantage yakhe is a left foot Montol. So like Msemdami we all know Msemdami Ramboni ka AFCON. So Chiefs yenze blind amfana ka sa sign di player like at least no kamele ba sign le
i-Chiefs bengisizo sign uDayidi
Msemdami into bengicabanga so mina ngibone siba welcome to Orlando Pirates wow because abasha phakathi sana i-player lo kumvela kamele nje ku Chiefs tse lo kumvela to compliment style sa Chiefs Montol maka no
room engilizwile
phakathi khona like isnatche Msemdami mthona tlamela yeda now ya kana Msemdami anele ku Chiefs I'm telling you no go bona
another it was going to be a good signing.
So you consider it as snatching?
It's snatching.
If the other party is not interested?
It's snatching.
You can't say that.
Not to say like he's interested.
We don't know. Okay, sure.
We don't know.
It's the compliment. If Mutabia's statements are won't be signing, how would you call it a snatch?
Mfana andaba pobi mfana nakutaba okay arrogant or uzama prove point ko di supporting.
Yeah, I mean that's why we won't know because of Yonki like it Chiefs if you put a player. I think no mistake. Ngathi baya ku social media cha.
True.
Ngithola. Like from kubo vele bhayi.
Mfiki.
Ubani lenye intwana lenye bayisayinile. Bartman. Indaba yakho nevele yathi Cape Town Spurs yathi hey thina hey Chiefs hey yabona.
Yeah, but don't you
only to find out if
it fans more than the African.
But my fans as a that's my thing. Do you understand?
People they speak though. Those were the fans with Besnas with Salomos or Sundowns. Exactly. That people they speak.
Besnas so saziganjani Chiefs. Ngithola kuze kukhulume iCEO team ukuthi Sina struggle with the Chiefs signing la player now. Do you understand? That is why I think bona bazoringa ne player namnyingalo ukudla ile Chiefs. Ngithola it's a big team. Kama lamle yakhulu. Obviously zayintwana zizovuma ngithola bese bona baya ku social media so that izinto ziya backfire. So I think into le njalo ukuthi beka nangopuso ditija
bamesile naye lo
before kuzophuma indaba ukuthi usayine ne Chicago ubona ama talks simuzukazi athini but no if Chiefs bayamfuna
mabeze
do you understand uyabona ukuthi ngathi bacala baya ku media cala then indaba igrow hey Chiefs hey push hey Chiefs awuthi ngakubalela Sipho Mbule same thing.
Yeah, but now you cannot say
Police.
Kaizer
A
Chiefs.
police.
There can be some people, not Kaizer Chiefs.
From where?
institution. Because now
Here's
you
my
can't say
thing,
from
ne?
where.
That's why
Like,
ngithi Kaizer Chiefs. Le nto bengisho ukuthi somehow i-team ne-team libe ne-journalist yayo
kahle kahle
ezokhipha indaba ezoyithi nje kancane indaba ngithola bese indaba ithola ukuthi kube hayi Chiefs uzosayina iplayer so Pirates uzosayina iplayer so, but then bheka le nto le ne uzothi ama-fans ne angingavumelana nawo on that part ne ukuthi let's say ama-fans yiwa because angacala indaba ama-fans ukuthi hayi Chiefs izosayina istrike esiso or izosayina uShasha from ku-Sundowns indaba yakhonithi uyangithola so ukuthi Chiefs bona bazihlalele zange bam-approach nokum-approach
babheke elsewhere hayi
babheke elsewhere but uzwa mina ngikhulumela phezu kwayo iplayer lelo maliceda ukusayina naleyo team bayalibuza ukuthi manje i-Chiefs athi abazile offer bengekho
yeah,
clear
that's the like into ebulala most of the teams because the team like wena udlala maybe let's say udlala Pirates. Ubolo hlala nje kona Churena, only player Pirates. People they will have so like talks or okay, if Simbona Churena, maybe there's some talks and everything, you understand?
Yeah.
So that's how it is. Remember Guti, I can say Ren Stadium, I can say Churena Village. I'm a player watching. I'm a like your journalist and everything, they go there. So historically, you cannot necessarily say Kaizer Chiefs are the ones that doing this thing.
But here's my thing ne that is why ngithi mina I think they do it on purpose uyangithola phela i-Chiefs i-team egrowth Chiefs ayenza something izotrenda no in 5 minutes
yeah
izobe seyitrenda seyigrowth uyangithola so I think as bachunana bafuna ucreate hype ukuthi neplayer nalo manje izibona ngiyatrend hayi ngiyakuphost yabo uyangithola so I think they do that on purpose bayaringa neplayer yabona maybe ne-agent or whatever ne-team whatever bese bona bayithi tswa kancane ukuthi kube nomruso la social media.
How can you continue something and expand it? Okay, you understand maybe
that's why ngithi angicavi
you signing Mbule, but you not end up getting Mbule.
You're
not benefiting
mina ngithi mfana phela ama-player mfana u-section uqalile I think isitori sakhe was ring ukuthi bekasuka le eMpumalanga athi uzosayina ngani
Chiefs
athi bengisuka ngiza ngayi uzosayina ne-Chiefs so uyabona leso story sayenzani naso uqalile uyosayina nini Chiefs uyosayina ne-Chiefs ngoba isitori saba section player le-Chiefs wathiwa
last day transfer
kwara section
number 15
uyangithola that is why ngithi somehow ngathi kunomuntu osipana dani or maybe umuntu osipana dani uyangithola ovela yithi kancane ayivulela amanzi kancane awathi besayivala uyazi ukuthi Chiefs i-team egrowth mangayithi tswa kancane awonke umuntu
because like from my point of view lewe ngibheka ngakhona ne
yeah
ngithi menkulu mangizokhipha indaba ngithi ngiyasayina then kwenzakala ukuthi lezo ndaba kusiqiniso igama lami lemoshela as much as ngamanje yabona ngikhuluma kanjani ukuthi snatch already so kuba ngilento ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs can't afford to sign players into benza is business just on the receiving end of things. Understand? So if you're a big institution then you're sending false information and everything you sort of like utonza igama lakho king in the mud.
Then we'll go back to what we always saying the past few weeks with Kaizer Chiefs but change management.
which management to be specific?
Family business.
It's a family business that one. You cannot change that management.
But the Pirates is more like a family business.
Yeah, it's a family business.
Ubaya khona ukuqasha abantu.
Yeah, but the Pirates is a family business. What else like? Pirates the only person that I know is Ivan because I don't know the family extended.
No, intwana zakhe
ngithi mina. I don't know the extended family ukuthi yabona la Kaizer Chiefs ngiyazi ukuthi kuno
Aphela Chiefs is your team my brother.
Yeah,
you have to know
that. It doesn't necessarily to be like that. Because ngiyazi kunomthipi kunalentwana kaMthipi nana but Pirates I know nothing. That's what I'm trying to emphasize. Ukuthi Pirates can be a family business but abadlali ilaundry yabo wonke umuntu ukuthi abone.
Yeah, no. I get your point, my guy. I get your point, my guy.
Yeah, ngilithola that's why ngithi man mabanga change management mara obviously ngeke bay change management because of we all know why
kuningi
mfethu basenzela
Okay,
yo
bafethu abasakhuluma ngendaba yokuthi Kaizer Chiefs i-business ne. Kunento engiyibonile. I don't know how true is it. Okay, like how true it is because it says udithetha njengoba sana ne-MLS.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs will get
something is wrong khona into abangasayenzi
nangapho Kirill sinufikile
bani
nangu
ayi ntangane nyamuza
so bafethu ngicela isitshele.
amaruma awakapheli
Oh. Kaizer Chiefs specifically ukuthi was it the right move ukuthi uPaulita bangasayini ama-player or should we be sticking with these players that they have? Lapha singakhohlwa bafethu as the rumors were saying.
ukuthi kanobani le awuthi Stellenbosch Molisana
oh Thabo
yeah bathi kunama-rumors ukuthi usayine pre-contract nge-Kaizer Chiefs so ngathi i-contract yakhe yaphela June so kahle kahle uyiplayer le-Chiefs no
technically
Give me a snatch.
angazi ngibone nje
They can
Recently-
buy you out of the contract, Baba.
seli
Phela iboy amamafi akusibhola kuphela.
because of Kirill
Ngabe usanile pre-ana kanjani
Yeah,
ku-Chiefs?
okay, sharp. You can sign a pre-contract, then approaching it, offer a better good, this will benefit you in the future, including your family.
Can't shoot
everything.
me the way
I
you
can
call
buy you
it.
out.
Mm.
Yeah, you can buy you out.
Mara
Yeah,
yangibonela umaruma lawo
Because this is business.
but mina do you know what I think no
Eh.
noma singayibheka ngaleli lihle sibheka ngayo ukuthi i-Chiefs ayifuna ukusayina ama-player
Yeah.
nangitshona what if guys they are fixing for next season
baphila la ngisho bara lami ngibheka la
mina by the look of things ukuthi njengoba sikhuluma ukuthi lamakhosha manje aya-maintain nje wafuna ngithola ukuthi kube nama-complications. I think we're fighting for top 8.
yeah that's the
I
only
wouldn't say
thing
top 2, top 1, but top 8 specifically because
yeah
the way Spana ngakhona Chiefs nini performer, Chiefs is not performing, Chiefs is missing too many chiefs
Mara-
and stuff like that.
awukasheba
i-dangerous le
awukasheba
Yeah, we're building.
Chiefs currently is not in a bad position
We're not.
is now in points 28 ne
Mm.
bana 24 difference ke 24 point ke 4 points
if Sundowns
Sundowns resiya ka two.
kusasa i-Chiefs win Tuesday
Yeah,
Chiefs
ngithola.
go number 2
ibona so
do you know what's dangerous about this mina danger engiyibonayo angithi ngiyaboniswa
bonisile yaboniswa
yeah ngiyaboniswa
Bonisi.
if if labo coach labaya bazoba ku top 8 abahambi
ngisho so
abahambi abayindawo bayahlala next season uzoba bu coach
amake debatable le
hey chief
hayi sharp le debatable ngiyakuzwa uthi
unabi phela ungakhohlwa uvayele ukuthi amaphepha wakhe angazi bekwenza
and remember futhi unabi
akahambanga ngoba bebangasamfuni
and futhi remember futhi yena lo the very same nabi loyo ureject i-offer yeTunisia ukuba head coach yeTunisia ayo coach iWorld Cup iTunisia ayo coach ku-World Cup urejectile hoping ukuthi ukhumbulisa kakhe akapheli ne-Chiefs phela
yangithola that is why
so
it's no
there might be a possibility ukuthi
uzobuya
angabuye after ba-resolve whatever lento kumele bayi-resolve azithola sekala at the helm again.
that guy is not
We don't know.
for Chiefs.
Ama-rumor sa-speculate afile asazi
But
Yabo.
I'm afraid, he might not be maybe a good coach for Kaizer Chiefs, but it happened with Man United. Ferguson he started some games which were in sense to any fans, but eventually,
But the vision was there.
the vision was there. He
but
brought
you
the
cannot say,
structure.
okay, Sharp, you cannot say the vision was there. So you're trying to tell me Uguti by signing Unabi, Kaizer Chiefs bring another vision. Uguti Nabi was tell us something.
No, Kaizer Chiefs sign unabi. They sign it because of bebabone whatever just like you know.
Yeah.
Hear what I'm saying? I get that, but makafika ku Chiefs wahlala lama season awahlalile. You don't see the vision.
Yeah, it doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi vision mangabonakala yini.
Jose Rivero abasiyibonile.
Come on, James.
First season.
Okay, but come on.
Mele siyibone, yabo.
Let's be realistic.
uRulani Mkwena bheka no win trophy ngada. Uceda ukufika.
First season.
There's a vision. Uyabona ukuthi
So
okay.
ngasikhathi beka ku Pirates bengana vision njengoba bekathi si
Ubani?
Yena uLani.
hayi bekasasemncane
answer my question.
bekusamele usipana
Ngithi
nopitso
asibe realistic ukuthi uRulani ngesikhathi aku-Pirates adlisa i-Pirates bayangana vision na.
ya bekayi-assistant coach yethu yavaya waba yi-coach bekungasiyi-coach samsayina sathi Rulani is the coach of Orlando Pirates asimsayina hayi bekanganayo
simpromoting
Eh,
uthola i-promotion
because of his failure.
ya bekanganayo ivision hayi
So
bekanganayo
bafethu uzwile
bekusamele ayosipana nopitso
vision monayo yafail akusho ukuthi beyingekho.
bengekho vele mayifeyilile kumele iphasi
Isincedeni.
uRulani Joe bekusamele asipane nopitso yabo
yeah
skela
Arhabule
abe
kancane.
mnandi
njengoba sekamnandi no
yabona manje umnandi
complete
ya mara ngisho
Actually.
asiqhubeke sina ndoda sike sadefendela bonyawuza
mamela
bekunyiwa
Yeah,
sibenjelwa kuSandile
udefender ngabonyawuza ne. So you what defender ngabonyawuza, you as a fan you're hoping with she can get a better player than Nyawuza, right?
chief
Right, that's the vision you had ngePirates.
ya wafika uRulani
bekasipana unyawuza mos
Yeah, nasipana Nyawuza navele nasipana.
unama-trophy unyawuza
ngalava
emfethu unama-trophy ali unama-trophy treble ngikhuluma nge-treble mfethu double treble ada ibaba emfethu dile ngile yafana okay usilise ngabo okay sharp usilise ngabo it's fine
baningi angengibale
usilisile sharp ngale ya game le on goal la shaya on goal khona le back pass
kanye maningi man
no German mfethu usenze kanjani mfethu
hayi onggola ngibazi mara maningi
kunokuba okungcono kuwe.
jo
Akuba kusuku.
emfethu ukhuluma nge-treble winner ya nyawu emfethu lo muntu wasikhipha ehlathini khona la wasitepa sibona izindaba la Nyawuza mfana kano Aaron Sahlathini
ya wasikhipha ehlathini
wasipanela
manje
sipanile
Manje
predictions PSL yabuya kusasa Sundowns
Kusasa?
Orbit
ibuya kusasa
yes sir
ingakhi kusasa oyi-19
tomorrow i-19 chief
idlala kusasa vele
Yini
Sundowns
ibhede media yakho?
eh
ngithi kusasa iPSL yabuya uthi
kahle kahle Sundowns ne-Obi. Umpnapoli ne-Obi.
awulimele
Ulimele?
6 to 8 weeks
ubani Salim le pain le bekakhuluma ngayo yathi it was unbearable abekadlala ngama-painkiller
I mean, I'm thinking,
oh well
me,
maka nakhona i-good signing
obvious, but yeah.
i-good signing ndafa ulethe stability la la ku-Sundowns
ubani usalini
uzobagasa mtheni
usho kanje
good pay
Uzodlala ba?
uzobagasa mtheni ewinini la adlala khona
liphi iwin
left
right or left kunoSales kunoSantos la
labantu basesiswini laba mfethu bazobenza izinto lapha usalem bazomsqueeza ini as long as ungacoach uCarusi
coach yena mas
What the future holds for Salim Villa.
utlodlala ekafona
Sundowns.
mfethu
mfana mina if bebane coach ngazodlala
utlodlala
mina mfana yakuthi ukurenga Sundowns kapha yabo akuna coach la
makabheka
la
mfethu
kune out efuna ukuskema iSundowns that's why ilanda wonke lama international players awuthiyami coach uyi-coach awuthiyami ungadlala nangeplayer lina 13 as long as ubona i-potential so yena ku-development ye-Sundowns akabona i-potential akaboni neplayer eliyi-1 leya izoba istar Sundowns akekho ngize ngilanda iplayer lase-Brazil iplayer la kuphi awuthiyami bese ngithi no-coach there ufuna ready made lo muntu ufuna ukwenza igama lakhe libe grand ufuna ukuwina aphume la
makuzodlala ezodlala mfethu siyacaba
usaleng anginandaba naye yena angadlala vele because i-star player ngithola but then mina ngikhuluma nge-coach into engenza ukuthi ngidawuthi ukuthi uzodlala the way sifuna adlale ngakhona
ngifuna ukuza lapho ukuthi uSaleng uzoyithola i-game time but angeke athole le game time le besifuna ukuthi
esicabangayo thina sazi ukuthi uSaleng udeserve this thing
enza basike ukuthi i-future yakhe injani ku-Sundowns. We know ukuthi most ama-player singababisa ngamagama
yo mfana
uSaleng kahle kahle mina sengijabulela ukuthi
ubuyile
ubuyile and futhi
to a big team
nemali yakhe izoma kahle
to a big team
retirement fund severance Sunrise
ubuyile in the game for team akakadlali uqhathekile
Yeah, 6 to
yathi
8
simmelele napholo esiboneni ukuthi enhle Sundowns technical team yakhona izoba njani yabo sibone ukuthi technical team yelona ye-Sundowns yashintsha or what
ishintshe la
injalo
amaruma kaPitso
Jehova amaruma lawo yasho
uPitso uchacha yonke lethi uza nabantu bakhe
ovi
uyamazi uza nesquad sakhe so uyachacha zonke leziya
mawubhekile le signing le kaSalinde ubani orchestrate le signing
i-team iSundowns dali yenza ku-Pirates Day ngiyicala ngoSalinde
besides ukuthi dali yenza ku-Pirates sengiyasho specifically like Salini like
you think
like kibo mamba
these guys bahlale balanda amaplayer ku-Pirates angathi aba ne-problem uLodge bekuyile saka yakhe
baya-rescue
insiza yakhe
baya-rescue
ukwamanyisa bekuyi-same thing tikomodise awuthiyam
baya-rescue kahle kahle ama-rescue wabona babula competition
what if i-Pirates yebo ofara it's now
because of khona isito ngingasifunda I think zize nge-good offer lezi
okay ima nge-good for i-good offer ingayizi ukuthi yaphi what if i-Pirates ithe nang
because of umntwana beka ngakho happy mabasho into engiyifundile leyo
do you understand
ngakho happy la kuphaka so I think ida kubhakane abadala ngakho happy thina sesomela nje phela ukhumbule mina nali 2 years talk about loaning angithi beba trigger ka i2 year option yakhe so like not like ba buy out so I think sometimes it look like proposal ya high that's why they rescue you that's why they rescue
what if
ba rescue Sale
what if
never not now wala no never amanje ngeke
unyawupesi makafika nalifoni unyawupesi makafika nalifoni athi nayo uphethe imali uthi ne-300 adiletha uyangithola what if Pirates enze kanjalo because akekho happy angithi bayabona ukuthi olo ngeke asasisifanele and sizoba bambilosi baya kulabo abanemali
no it makes sense ngiyayizwa ipoint yakho it makes sense
liplay
namthatheni offer
fonele uHlophi umpuma emadala Sale ngiphethe emalini ata nge-25 atletha ngokugayi play
it makes sense business wise
so wonke lama player la i-Pirates
wahambi
Lodge bathe
same thing
nginemalini badana hayi mina ngithathe
ele mangathatha ukubheka wonke ama player la ku Sundowns aphuma ku Pirates ifee khona abayikhuluma abayiri bakathela imbokhona lo
and zonke ziva zinama problems
ziva
zine
jive ngeteam hayi Pirates offer i-Sundowns lama player
phuma Pirates wa Sundowns waphuma like ku Sundowns bakuvele bamosha i-career lama player ngaphuma ku Sundowns abagrela
mawaphuma out of Sundowns
kutsho like ithona
uteko uyosindile
ngithola but uteko ngasikhathi aphuma ku Pirates waya ku Sundowns wakhuluma indaba zama bankruptcy nani remember bathi udinga ngale financial advice and everything la seka decide ukuthi yazi ufuna ukuphuma ku Sundowns like get where he actually gain this momentum in terms of business and everything
awufika wayenza izinto
speaking of which
so mina mfethu I wish ukuthi iPSL njengoba ezinye izinto like kunezinto okumele zibe compulsory they have to look out for players because status kunenye into engiyibonile CR plan from abo DDC and everything they're not taking good care of the players young players for example a player kune-player enye intwana ngathi yakubo goalkeeper futhi akhawatheka from ejimini futhi uthintekile bokungazakali umntwana walala ekuseni makavuka kakhulu umuva kakhulu ukwenza next from Chipa United so he went when they trying to tell Chipa this is what's happening and everything Chipa has nothing to do with it so you see
so PSL tlamele iba somehow idlala irole ya yona
Yeah, we
for
say
the playing or like
we
at
say
least
we
the
developing players,
yeah
right?
ke a o thola.
So why does Lokuzani treatment and everything grand iqale from PSL first team, not maybe reserve side going to NFD, you understand? Because I'm a player, mabathatha Steve now Dalekas, bakuthanda ukuthi ujoin Kaizer Chiefs. Ujoin Kaizer Chiefs DTC. And masongene ku DTC, you need to have medical aid, you need to have whatever, because now fana nokuthi an asset to Kaizer Chiefs. But now masoka watheka, you're no longer an asset, you're no longer considered as umuntu available. They're not even paying for your hospital bills and everything. But ukawatheke kuphi?
Ku team ku Spain.
Exactly. So into kwamele like
So i-cheaper yona itheni?
PSL tamele intervene.
Yeah, so I'm thinking PSL need to come up with something like strategy or
it's a plea.
a team. This is what you do. You need to take care of your players from
I
development
don't it's a plea.
So ilimele iku-cheap.
Yeah, ugoalkeeper. Ushayekile maybe like
ukhawathekile.
Wahedeka or maybe wawa kabuhlungu maka walala ekuseni wavuka.
So cheaper
Ukhawathekile.
ayizingeni.
So umzali uzama ukuya
So asikayi untanga asikayi cabbage. Sikayi
cabbage dog.
na
But yeah, what I'm trying to PSL, you need to come up with something so that you protect our players from development.
yes.
Because
But you know what I think?
It's raw.
as a player, a team, but if ngizofika eteamini sengicabanga ukuthi sengifikile lapha ama ngikhawathela they're not even taking good care of me in terms of finances and everything, then it's a problem.
Do you know what I think, Joe? Angithi ngitshela ngathi vandag
Uyabonisa.
Uyabonisa. Vision. Intswembu blind.
Yeah. Athi sizwe le vision.
Let me learn.
Awusithulele zona.
Do you know what I think? Ne? But no, izoba unfair. Okay, mara singayicala ku PSL. Noma ingaba unfair kubo Mvela going, but kumele icale somewhere. Kumele icale ku PSL. Mina what I think is each and every team ne egu I-16 ku PSL ne should have something like a school of excellence. So noma baziqova le ntwana lezi, they stay there. Do you understand? Maka njengama PSL team more off uzoya kini for 1 day or 2 days or whatever.
Something like an academy.
Then you'll come back to academy. Ngithola bathi uhlala da scale bazokufaka iskela
Yeah academy.
If let's say babagaya 3 meters babatshela ukuthi sizonika 1.5 izoya eteamini 1.5 sinakhela into eso ukuthi nibe nento enje for your development players for izinto ezikanje food, school, medical aid, everything ukuthi le ntwana lezi zibe right. I think sizothola ne-inspiration ukuthi I wanna be a better footballer, I wanna represent my country, what. Because of I am mfethu ekuthi le nto le bekushanga stuff se-Kaizer Chiefs uzekasi wena ubestoko yabo. Now uzogcina so off ramp because of izokusayina first team awuthiyama make signer bakushaya nge-signing on fee pulu wena so ne half a minute una 20 ubuye kasi lakho belingana TV ulale ematrasini bungana wifi uzoyenzani le new play asirenga
wepophula because in the first place ukwenzela abantu ukuthi bakubone
so mabasicova le ntwana lezi bazifake la bazigelezise zonke lezi zinto lezi basishayina nge-scale se-finance zibe right, zazi ukuthi imali siyenza sispenda so don't you think nakuthi akuna players bazothi ile depression or alikho grand mental
social illness la ukuthi sibhekane nayo on a daily basis? Because mawu player, let's say uphuma like semizumfaneni ingojeni nani make it through yodlala ku PSL and everything, you're in the back of your head already sona lento lokuthi gogo ngizothuma bani, you're no longer focusing on what you have to do, you're focusing on providing and manje span naso siya costega, you know. So that being said, you're introducing academies, each and every team, like it's compulsory for them to have an academy structure wise, ibe ama rules of PSL and everything. Once you sort of like do not follow you get fined. You understand? In that way, I think development-wise, yonke into ingaba grand, performance-wise, yonke into ingaba grand.
I mean mawungamameli uJabulile angazi if uJabulile or uJunior Khaya angathi uJabulile
Umuntu osile movie asijabulile.
I think uJabulile but washo ukuthi bekakhuluma nge-life izinto bezincane
Life after.
yangithola
Yeah,
ukuthi
after
beka
football.
ejimini bekanokusuka aye-Northwest or aye-Vava
Makabuye ejimini.
yeah nini akaye ejimini maybe kalimele but buya yena usendaweni zakhe angazi if uJabulile yangithola so
Okay, ayingafanele ukujida lo munye ukhaya.
izolimita all those things ukuthi ama-player mawuqeda ukujima wena ucabanga ukuthi lama-hours lawo
Ngiyakuthola.
because now you are focused from ku-academy
Move away from those things. Joe.
uyangithola
Ngiyakuthola.
because wena bebakuvalele ku-academy so bakufundisile into ezi-right
Kahle kahle,
mawuphuma la usazokhandashisa then we know ukuthi you are the
You
problem.
are the problem.
right?
Yeah.
You are the
So it's
problem.
more of a Lokuzan rehabilitation center,
Yeah.
or it's sort of like preparing you
Yeah.
to be
A
Preparation.
a better person in the corporate world.
Mm.
Yona mfana ingaspana ne. Amara if ever PSL na kumele be involved kuwo la ma team lawo. Then we need more sponsors. And
Yeah,
with big money.
Like it's not like we don't have the capabilities of doing it.
We did.
Because now
So now we need
I'm
money.
judging, like I was listening to Patrice.
But Doc, you don't need to do something
Wait,
fancy.
I was listening to Patrice about the AFCON and all this thing. Patrice Mtsepe, he managed to like organize sponsors for AFCON. You understand? I understand Uguti, maybe PSL is not like, he doesn't have to prioritize Uguti, he's not a CEO whatsoever. You understand? But you need to enrich your country before you can go outside. Yeah, but Manglalele is on a press conference, like he was saying, what I want to do is, he said something about donating 10 million for school leagues as a Mutsepe Foundation, or like one Mutsepe, it's understandable, okay, sure. Then we go to AFCON. AFCON, okay, I wonder what benefiter is like Africa, all of us, right? But then there's like those ones that are more favorable, like Morocco hosting AFCON, they still have to host Ilokuzan in what is this?
WAFCON.
Like some of the things are questionable. But that being said, but you need to like plow back at home before you can go outside.
And another heading le oqeda ukuyisho le ukuthi uthi donate 10 million to Mtsepe Leagues. I think yena uyadonate then
Like
it's
it doesn't
try
follow through.
pheli uyangithola
And then bawambatla bona
And
bathwa.
abafana, like,
phuma bese kuphuma imitha kupheli 9 million
and
bayishayile
imitha khona ziphuma kanjani again? Athi imitha, it's not cash. It's maybe building materials worth millions,
Infrastructure.
like, infrastructure.
Yeah.
But then again, Fetu, how many schools are competing there? They are less fortunate, they're not privileged in everything for you to not do a follow through. But if follow through as a it's called a swinner. You go there, you are able to okay, the talent team there, 16 players or 15 players or 30 players, you place them to maybe in those players and see who's going. You cannot just promote players because when a school league cannot go about it moving forward.
hey tonga le conversation seyathi
Okay,
But do you think- eish yeah you
continue next week. I might call for
bengingabuzi
Don't forget
bengizongena
to
la
like,
eish
share and subscribe. Comment down below there on our,
yeah
Instagram sisalin reels.
Ask
Oh, this one is great. This one. Amakai trap uyazi. They trap Instagram sekhona bafethu. Yeah. Ashebele nje episode. Yahlela mntana. Ayiqala la yahlela TikTok, Facebook, Insta.
we are out today stratini we are watching ama-legend izinto zegame ezilidlalile ezilaziyo ya bebane-tournament nyana sida sizoyiposta on our page ku-YouTube
Yeah.
bazoshaya ngama-edits then bayiposte then into esizoyenza sizofuna ukuyenza no-ke out and about young talent nazo siyafika la
Siyabangela.
iwana sikhuphula ithalente lasekasi but singakhohlwa ezilidlalile ama-legend
Kahle kahle.
Yeah, bathini fact checker.
Yeah.
Iyashisela umva kwekhamera bafethu icela nje isifayile.
Balela ama-fan.
ayashisa tu no-music
Hayi nangayiyo. Abasiphethe nangelona. Basiphethe abana fandakhe ishe ngalala kancane ngiyabona.